A youthful skin that is soft and smooth, somewhat like a newborn baby. Who doesn't wish for a skin like that? We all do wish as we grow older in age. What can we do in order to get such a skin is what I am going to share with you on today's episode. But before I go ahead, let me request you all to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you all do not miss out on any of the useful tips and tricks and hacks that I share on my videos. I have washed about quarter cup of rice and soaked it with good water, and now here I am squeezing it, and once you get this milky consistency, strain it out. See, this is how it will look. To this add 2 tablespoon or 3 tablespoon of coconut oil depending on how oily you would like on your skin, and then add aloe vera gel. You can add the same quantity of aloe vera gel and keep stirring. Stirring well is very important. The consistency will change as you keep on stirring. Can you see the color has already changed? It will thicken up as you go on stirring continuously. This is how it should look once done. Store it in an airtight container or a cream jar if you'll have anything, and keep it in your fridge. Use it every night without fail to avail the benefits of this cream. Very simple homemade cream to have a youthful skin. But let me tell you, this will only be effective if you'll ensure to make use of it on a daily basis only at night time. That's when you're done with your outing and all your outgoing schedules. That's when at night when you're settling down, you'll have to use this cream. Also, ensure that you make this cream in small quantities that would come in use for 1 week to 2 weeks. This is because you'll do not add any preservatives, because of which the cream might spoil in time if you cross over 2 weeks. So the best way that the cream would be efficient is by 1 week and 2 weeks. So make smaller quantities, you'll have better results, and use it daily. And most importantly, ensure that you keep the cream in the fridge, because the cooler the cream, the better is the effect on your skin. Do let me know how did y'all like this hack. If y'all have any suggestions or requests, do feel free to get in touch with me on my social media sites, or y'all can even leave a comment. That's all on today's episode. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.